it's Dominic from Paphos Live. Had a rather blustery seafront today, January 11th. Back a bit because I got wet already. I basically come down to have a look at the harbour because they're doing some renovation works here all of a sudden. Oh, it's getting quite a bit of spray there. So I thought I'd film it and we'll have a look what's going on. You can still walk past it, not completely closed off. But I know they'd started doing some stuff up by the castle itself, but up until now the restaurants had remained unscathed. But as you can see, well, there's some drastic renovations going on here. Yeah, so don't expect to be able to eat anything here for a while. It wasn't that long ago I walked up here interviewing the various restaurant owners.
Oh, jedna z lepszych to
Get us? Looks like all the tour places are still open for hire, but not open right this minute because in this weather there wouldn't be any tours. But this is so weird because I walked down here a few days ago and you wouldn't have guessed this was going to happen like this at all. There's the Pelican restaurant. Oh, that's where it used to be. Do a quick pan round. That is Paphos Harbour. I normally have a chat with a guy here. Very friendly. Not today though. Do some work up there. Oh, I was hoping to use the loos, but they appear to have been knocked down. Oh no, it's still up, but I'm sure they'd appreciate if I pick my way through all their rubble. These odd looking buildings here, these metal containers, are actually going to be fast food outlets, I believe. There's a cat. Anything to say about it all? What do you think? It's alright. Oh, there's two of them. Wow. No fighting. I haven't got anything to feed you with, I'm afraid. Oh, there's a toilet sign up here. So at least you'll know where the loos are now. We'll go up to the castle because you may as well have a look at that while we're here. So I filmed it with the drone. Some fishermen over there. Well, I can confirm that they were indeed the loos. If you're caught short, now you know where to go. Should be a bit more relaxed film now as well. They haven't messed around there at all. Let's go up and see what's going on at the coastal path. It's not raining, but it's not a pleasant day at all. Cool. There's a lot more rubble here than there was. Now that's interesting, because it looks like you can walk through here now. So I'll go and check that out, because that would be good news if that's the case. Sensible news as well, because it's a very popular route. Now, as you see, walk through. So that's a good bit of news. I'm not going to walk all the way along there. I'll just go and film the sea for a little bit. Really making use of the off season to get some renovation work done. I'll just walk back to the car now. Nice to know that the walkway is open. People are still out enjoying the harbour. I love all these little sparrows trying to eat the bait. I don't know what this thing is, Zorky. Semi-submarine. I guess that means it's like a posh glass bottom boat. Sorry, but I was a nerd as a child, so Zork means something completely different to me. This guy wanted me to get through somehow. Not sure what he's doing. pelican today. And Theo's will be back later on, I imagine. So I hope they will. And let's finish looking at the seafront. I'm not going to walk all the way down it though. And on that bombshell, I think I'll call it a day. Actually, I'm not going to get too close, I'll just get wet. Right, there's the seafront. I suppose I could have a quick walk, but now I can't. Someone's waiting for me. Alright, cheers, thanks for watching.